Okay, hello. This is the explanation for compilers and interpreters quiz, but this is the Python or programming version of it, right? So we're gonna try to do a quiz with Python, right? That's another possibility. If you go to page 15 of the booklet, right? Go to 15 to the booklet, we have this section. Translation talks about interpreters and it talks about compilers, right? So right here in the bottom, you got two advantages of an interpreter, one disadvantage of an interpreter, two advantages of a compiler, and one disadvantage of a compiler. Now, 6 statements, right? So you need to write, if you want to, this is an option. You can write I already did this code. So this is the program running, and it should say something like this. Little quiz about compilers and interpreters. It's just a printing. For every statement listed thereon, choose the correct number. So statement 1, it says it reports, sorry about that, at the end of each line, so it's easier to correct your mistakes. So it reports at the end of each line, so it reports easy to correct mistakes. So it gives 4 options, and the program should say, in this case, for example, it should be advantage of an interpreter. So advantage of an interpreter is 3. So I type 3, and it said, yep, correct. Okay, so you should go for the next statement. And it listed the next statement. And it says the same thing again. So I can say 3. And it says, yep, correct, right? And carries on with the next one. And I put 3 again, let's say. It said, no. It said just terrible. So if I say 3, it just says terrible. So I think for this presentation, I just did 4 statements, right? It should be 6 statements. So at the end, you should say the number of questions was asked and how many correct answers the user gave. So it was 2. Okay. So this is the other assignment you can do. All right. Any questions? Put a comment or email me or contact me by any other channel. Right? Bye-bye.